In less than 2 decades, China transformed from a cash-heavy society into the world's most advanced mobile payments economy. At the center of that transformation stands one company, Tencent, and one product that reshapes how money moves: WeChat and its fintech engine, WeChat Pay. This is the story of how a messaging app evolved into a financial super platform, redefining banking, payments, and digital ecosystems, and what startups in Africa and Latin America can learn from it. Startup story: from messaging to money. Tencent was founded in 1998 in Shenzhen by Pony Ma and co-founders as an internet messaging company. Its first major success was QQ, China's answer to ICQ and MSN Messenger. But the real inflection point came in 2011, when Tencent launched WeChat, initially a simple mobile chat app. At the time, smartphones were exploding in China. Mobile internet was becoming affordable. Social communication was shifting from desktop to mobile. WeChat scaled rapidly due to voice messaging, critical for Chinese dialect type contact syncing, lightweight mobile UX. Within 2 years, it crossed 300 million users. Tencent had built attention. Now it needed monetization. Finance became the gateway. Birth of WeChat Pay. WeChat Pay launched in 2013, originally as a digital wallet embedded inside chat. But adoption was slow until Tencent engineered one of the most brilliant growth hacks in fintech history: digital red envelopes. During Chinese New Year, users could send hongbao monetary gifts via WeChat. Gamified features included group envelope lotteries, randomized gift amounts, social leaderboards. The results? Millions linked bank accounts overnight. In one holiday campaign alone, billions of envelopes were sent. Payments became social. Finance became viral. Evolution into a super app financial ecosystem. WeChat PE did not evolve as a standalone fintech app. It embedded finance into daily digital life. Key evolutionary phases. Phase 1, P2P and wallet payments. Peer transfers. Bill splitting. Mobile top-ups. Phase 2, offline QR commerce. Tencent deployed QR payment infrastructure nationwide. Street vendors, taxis, restaurants, hospitals. China leapfrog POS terminals. Smartphone cameras became payment devices. Phase 3, mini programs and embedded finance. WeChat launched mini programs, lightweight apps, inside WeChat. This allowed businesses to build services without app downloads. E-commerce stores, ride-hailing, government services, banking portals. WeChat Pay became the default payment rail inside all of them. Finance disappeared into user experience, technology usage, and architecture. WeChat Pay's scale required world-class fintech infrastructure. Let's break down its technology stack conceptually. 4.1 Cloud-native infrastructure. Tencent built its own cloud ecosystem, distributed computing clusters, elastic transaction scaling, real-time processing. This allows WeChat Pay to process peak volumes during events like Singles Day, handling billions of transactions within hours. 4.2 API first payments architecture. WeChat Pay operates as a platform, not just a wallet. Capabilities include merchant APIs, SDK integrations, settlement engines, cross-border payment APIs. Developers can embed payments into apps, websites, IoT devices, smart retail systems, Yongden, Sang, AI, and risk management. Tencent leverages machine learning for fraud detection, behavioral biometrics, transaction anomaly monitoring, credit risk scoring. Real-time AI engines evaluate transactions within milliseconds. 4.4 Data fusion architecture. Unlike banks, Tencent integrates social graph data, commerce, behavior, location, intelligence, device, fingerprints. This produces richer credit and fraud models. Data becomes financial infrastructure. Innovation layers. WeChat Pay's innovation is not one product, but stacked layers. Social payments, money sent via chat, stickers, or moments. Super app wallet, one wallet across thousands of services. Smart retail, scan and go shopping, facial recognition pay, government integration, tax, fines, IDs, health codes paid via WeChat, cross-border payments, Chinese tourists pay abroad via QR partnerships, innovation, principle, finance should be invisible. Market penetration. WeChat Pay achieved one of the deepest fintech penetrations globally. Key metrics: 900 meters users, tens of millions of merchants, used in 90% plus of Tier 1 Chinese cities daily. Penetration drivers: smartphone ubiquity, China skipped cards, went mobile first. Low merchant friction, QR codes cost near zero versus POS machines. Social lock-in, users already lived inside WeChat. Ecosystem gravity, transport, food, commerce, all embedded payments. In many urban areas, cash is now rarely used. WeChat Pay became financial infrastructure, not just an app, a new way of doing finance. WeChat Pay represents a structural shift from traditional banking, from accounts to identities. Banks rely on account numbers. WeChat relies on social identity. From branches to interfaces. No physical branches. Finance delivered via UI. From products to journeys, loans, insurance, payments embedded contextually. From institutions to ecosystem. Banks are super apps are integrated economies. Tencent didn't compete with banks directly. It surrounded them. Business model and monetization. Interestingly, payments themselves generate thin margins. Tencent monetizes through merchant service fees, financial product distribution, lending partnerships, wealth management, referrals, advertising, and data insights. Payments are the gateway, not the profit center. Lessons for Africa and Latin America startups. Tencent's model offers powerful lessons for emerging markets. Lesson 1. Build ecosystems, not apps. Payments alone are winners. Embed finance into transport, agriculture, remittances, e-commerce. Example, opportunity. Super apps for informal economies. Lesson 2. Leverage social and cultural behavior. Digital red envelopes worked because they digitized tradition. Local equivalents. Mobile savings circles. Festival gifting. Family finance adoption accelerates when culturally contextualized. Lesson 3. QR beats cards in low infrastructure markets. QR advantages. No POAs. Hardware works on low-cost smartphones. Merchant onboarding in minutes. Ideal for street vendors, rural merchants, informal retail. Lesson 4 na. Bangsudan. T. Replace them. Tencent used banks for deposits, licensing, settlement. Startups should focus on UX plus distribution layers. Lesson 5. Data is the new collateral. Alternative credit scoring can use mobile usage, payment history, social, trust networks. Critical for underbanked lending markets. Lesson 6. Incentivize early adoption. Tencent subsidize growth via cashback, promotions, gamification. Network effects justify early burn. Strategic risks and challenges. No success stories without constraints. Key pressures Tencent faces: regulatory tightening. China imposed fintech, lending caps, and data rules. Competition from Ant Group and others. Margin compression. Payments commoditization reduces fees. Data, privacy, scrutiny. As fintech merges with social platforms, future outlook. WeChat Pay is expanding into digital yuan integration AI, financial advisory, cross-border remittance rails, smart city infrastructure. Finance will increasingly blend with IoT, mobility, healthcare, government services. The super app model is still evolving. Closing. Tencent did not just digitize payments. It re-architected finance around human behavior by embedding money into communication, commerce, and community. WeChat Pay transformed finance from a destination into an invisible layer of everyday life. For startups across Africa and Latin America, the lesson is clear. The future of fintech is not banking apps. It is financial ecosystems. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video.